Okay, let's start by opening MySQL Workbench. As you can see, there are users with different roles: admin, Caterer manager, Caterer staff user. Let's go back to login page and let's register as a new user. The username should always be greater than, the length should always be greater than 4 and less than 20. Username should always start with a letter. And username cannot contain a special character. That's good. Now password. Password length must always be greater than 7 and less than 30. And password must always contain one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, one special characters, and one number. So let us do it right. And last name. Last name must start with a capital letter. And last name length should always be greater than 2. And last name cannot contain a special character. Let's go for the first name. First name cannot be as a new number. First name cannot contain a character. First name length should always be greater than 2 and less than 30. So okay. And when it comes to role, there can only be one admin in the system. Same with the catering manager. So let us register as a user. UTI ID should be numeric. UTI ID should be a 10-digit numeric. And same with the phone number. It should be 10 digits in the length. And email. Email should always contain a special character. And email should have a valid domain. should always, email length should always be greater than 7. Street number must be numeric. Street number must be greater than 0. And street number length should be greater than 0 and less than 7. Street name must be non-numeric, and length should be greater than 0. City should start with a capital letter, and the length must be between 3 and 40. State should be a 2-letter abbreviation, and it should be a valid abbreviation. And state must be a non-numeric. Zip code must be non-numeric. And then come back to our home page. Okay, let's go to the workbench and check the database for the user. So here is James Gordon, and he's registered as a user. So come back and we'll just log in. It's just a server. So the same user validations will be right here. So username can't be, the length should be between 4 and 20, and there should be no special characters. And it should always start with letter. So just log in. So we are on the user homepage. Let's reserve an event. So here is the start date, and the validation. So the date can't be in past. So let's and the date. If the date is today, it can't be, the time can't be in past. So let's just book an event on 20. Submit query. Here we'll select the duration as 4 hours. We'll select hall name as KC and put attendance as 30. So the Maverick hall capacity is only 100, so we have to only input a number below 100. So let us go with 50. And the event name should be, the length of event name should be greater than 3 and 40. So go to American, select French, lunch, formal, non-alcoholic, Let's start reserve. Now we are on the payment page. You could also see the cost. Let us see the validations for credit card number. It should be a 16-digit number. So it should be a 16-digit number for sure. And it should be 16 digits. And expiration date is in the form of month and date. So it should be a number, it can't be a character. And same with the PIN. It should be a number. And it should be a 4-digit number. Submit. And let's reserve the event. Now we can check this in our database. Let's go and check it. And as you can see here, birthday party and first name and last name are James Cotton. Okay, let's get to the user home page and log out. Okay, now let's log in as a manager. So here is the manager. These are his login credentials. So here we are on the manager homepage, and the start date has the same validations as the event. It can't be, the date can't be in past, and if the date is today, the time can't be in the past. So let's set it to be default and submit query. These are all the events. So let us select the event that we just created and let us view it. So these are all the details of the event, and there is no assigned staff for this. So let's go back. Let's select the event. Let's assign a staff. These have the same validations. If you enter an invalid staff last name and first name, it shows that there are no such last name and first name combination. So let us go and find a staff member whose last name is this and this. Okay, let's log in. So here is, and now when we press assign, it's going to get assigned. Let's go to the database now and go to the events table, and we could find the event birthday party as a assigned staff name. Okay, now let's go to the page and log out. Okay, now let us log in with an admin account. So here is these are the admin credentials. So let us search for a user, and if we don't provide any last name here, we could just find all the users here, and let us select a user, and let us modify the selected user. So we cannot make him admin because of the validations. Same for the catering manager. So let us change him as a caterer staff. So when we proceed, now we could see that his role has been changed to staff. Now let's submit, and we'll come back here again. Now when we search for him again, we could see that his role has been changed. Okay, let's log out. Okay, now let us log in as a staff member. So in the database here we could see so here are two staff members. This is the one we just changed the role, and let us log in. So this is the staff member homepage, and now when we click view my assign, you could also, these are all have the same validations. So let's just submit this, and we could see all the events that he has been assigned to. Let's go into the database and check this. So let's open events, and in the events we could see the assigned name for 3 events. So this is the same here. So just select any of the event, and let's view the details of the event. So these are the details of the event, and that's it. Let's just log out. Okay, thank you.